Morning guys, Mike here. I'm just going to go, it's now 9 o'clock and I'm just going to go to ZS6TJ just to assist with some Morse code classes, so looking forward for that. There we go. Well anyway, I'm a little bit early today, so maybe there's a chance that I can actually go and set up a little bit early. And if you go have a look at my YouTube channel, The Experimental, the description below, you will see where I'm at. This will be the second little video stint that we're doing, and hope it goes well. Cliff ZS6BOX should be there. ZS6 Foxtrot Papa Sierra will be there. That's Frank, that's Pierre. ZS6 Foxtrot November, that's Frank, he'll be there. ZS6BOX Bravo Oscar Extra, he'll be there. That is Cliff. ZS6XU will be there, he might sit in the class as well. And maybe Kirby, the chairman, as well, will sit in as well. We'll see how it goes. So that's that. We were going to sit outside, but due to the rainy sort of cold weather, we're more than likely going to be sitting inside because the outside tables will be all wet. So that's the story there. Alright chaps, we will see you later. Oh, by the way, this morning I got hold of Argentina, one United States, and one other country somewhere else.
I'm Frank Payne. I'm ham for about 3-4 months now, and I'm studying Morse code, ZS6 Foxtrot November.
Thanks, Frank.
Hi, my name is Dave, ZS6 Alpha Charlie Charlie. I got licensed in 1970s. I've been a ham for 50 years now, and I enjoy the hobby very much, and I also enjoy CW and did the CW Ops course last year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cliff Smith. I joined the South African Radio League in 1960, got my license in 1974, did the CW, just opted out of it to my regret. And the call sign is ZS6BOX.
Thanks, Cliff.
Good morning guys, my name is Pierre. Call sign is Zulu Sierra 6 Foxtrot Papa Sierra. I've been a ham now since 2016, about 4 years. And the next thing to tick off on my list is to become a CW operator.
Thanks, Pierre.
Hi, my name is Richard Howell, and been a ham since 1982 when I joined the SARL. And we had to learn CW then to be able to talk on a microphone, which I think is very Irish. So you should learn how to talk on a microphone before you learn CW. But anyway, coming here to assist with helping the guys get up to speed on their CW. CW stands for people who can't write.
Thanks, Richard. Thanks. Steve?
Hi, my name is Steve Baines, ZS6XU. I got my license in 1978 and have been doing Morse code since 1978 with a bit of a break when you have to build a family and stuff like that. I'm getting back into Morse code and really enjoying it. And Mike's really doing a good job for us. Thanks, Mike.
Hi there, my name's Michael, ZS6 Mike Sir Whiskey, and I've been a ham for about 5.5, 6 years, and in the last 2 years I've been learning Morse code with the help of ZS6DLL, who unfortunately now is a silent key, and love it so much that I thought we would take the hobby further and extend it, hopefully within South Africa, and re-inspire a lot of the clubs. ZS6TJ, as far as I know, are spearheading this thing and pioneering it quite nicely and reviving it. So that's that. I'm not particularly good at Morse code, but I do say one thing. If you know the letters and you know the numbers and you know a little bit of punctuation, you have no excuse not to show somebody else. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. 73.
Oh, did you see how easily that cut?
Yeah, that's
I think it's a bit hard.
scary.
Yeah, but it'll work. I just got to get it to pull the yoke down because it's not actually doing it. But excuse me while I go to magnifying mode here.
Did you get that, Cliff? It was what is the time now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got 2 mistakes.
You don't have to finish all your sentences in one bite. You can pass it on to Dave if you want to.
Okay, go.
You picked up speed. Am I right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
You started going faster and faster. Yeah, okay.
All right, Cliff. You want to go to this? Do you want to go to the straight key over there, or is that cord long enough to pass to Cliff? Yeah, any of them.
That's more than likely.
Miss Iga.
Yeah, now your turn to go.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
You ready?
Are you ready?
Whoops, three. Oh my God,
Is this-
I was
is
going
this-
to fix it. Well, I just want to see if I can see any components that have taken off the board. Decided to leave the room.
Goth radio, hey.
Yep. It's pretty normal, you know, with Garth we have his radios in the hospital quite regularly.
I see so. Steve, can you maybe, while you're doing that, can you explain what this workshop does? You're obviously fixing stuff here.
What we have here, we have an oscilloscope, signal generators, another oscilloscope, a nice soldering iron which has got hot air as well as normal soldering iron, so it's quite handy. And we're busy building up slowly. We managed today, we were given a digital bench multimeter, which is very nice. I just have to make a 6-volt power supply for it because it seems here everything we have is 12 volts.
Very nice.
Amazing.
No, micro switches. There's micro switches there. I'll show you now.
Speed control on here.
This is speed infinite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a good speed.
Okay, that's speed and this is volume. Okay.
The right speed for the guys.
But I often wondered if it would be possible to electronically create something like that. You would need 2 little switches. And now when I see them
Is this
now,
computer running?
Next one. Next one. And then the last one. Okay, that was it. Right, here it comes. If I'm going too fast, let me know. It's Echo 71 Alpha, Whiskey 1 Juliet Romeo, Uniform Delta 6 Alpha Oscar Papa, Victor Uniform 2 Mike Oscar Mike, and then Lima Tango 1 Echo Echo Bravo.
Sorry, that last one again.
Lima Tango 1 Echo Echo Bravo. Excuse me. All right. Oh, we'll just recap for Dave when he comes back. We'll just carry on.
Sorry. Can I come sit there?
Yes, of course.
I'm a little hard of hearing. Let's see if that helps.
You can look at my crib sheets. Have you seen that one where they have the mask, where the guy's doing his exams and he pushes the mask out there and his crib notes outside the mask like that? Did you see that? Okay, here it comes. Right, here it goes. Okay, here comes Dave.
612
Okay, I'm going to play two call signs at the same time. I'm going to pretend I'm you, and I'm going to play back to myself. Okay.
This is sort of radio. I've got my
Play,
speakers
hold it.
of 6 at home. But this is backup and also for mobile. We used to, on the off-road racing, we used to use HF 40 meters. And that's when I got the first. I've got this only 706 Mark II as well, the first one I had. And I spent about 6 years in my Land Rover and then 13 years in the Land Cruiser.
It's amazing radio that. I've got one. I had three of them. Was that?
Kenwood brought out that TS50. That was an absolute breakthrough. I bought it because it was so nice and compact. And
That's how copy, and then you're going to reply now.
I'm really looking for a Kenwood TS130 or something like that. If anyone's got one.
I had one, the very first one before I even got my license. I bought it from Sam when he was still wild and mom. And it was a 120. That was not a bad radio. And then I gave it to James up in Lusaka, 9J2 Charlie Alpha.